wrestlers. Looks like we need more help on mat number 2 and mat number 9. Please report to your team.
Alright, the guy should be coming around. He said he was going to come around and help us out. Oh, you got it on my hairs. No, I already got it. I already got it. Yeah, okay. True. Did I put it too tight? Sorry. Yeah, I'll trade you. How about you do the computer? Stolen!
You just click like if it's touching
Huh? A little bit. Yeah, I know. There's some guy that's going around asking if we need help. He said he was going to come around here. Yeah, the smallest scoreboards with the paper that you write on. I know how to do that. I don't know how to do this. Oh, what if we just like break the computer? Then they have to give us the papers. Right? Just like press every button, start giving it. No, it's not. Huh? No, on the kids. Like the kid, yes. No, you just give it to them. Like the kids are gonna come up here like Joanne, Villegas, and well I have it on green. So you're gonna, excuse me, you're gonna give them green. Or if it's Villegas Hoskins, you're gonna give them red. No, just give it to them. Trust me. Hurry up! Hey, what the hell? Where's that guy at? He's like, you guys need help? Yeah, can you help me out, man? Alright, just give me a second. I gotta go all the way around. I'll be there. I was like, alright, cool. Yeah, I like chugged it, sorry. That's because yours has chunks of it.
T-Roy, will you hit us with a little bomb? T-Roy, will you hit us with a bomb?
Be real. You gonna fog up the stadium or what? Right? Why couldn't we do a simple paper one? Yeah, she has that little Chinese girl that came here. What's up, what that? Right, there you go, there you go. Oh my god, No. Well, that's why they have the spray. Spray has Clorox, so you just really likely. I can't blame the computer.
She's like, I want to give a shout out.
What's all that?
Have attention, please. Referees, I need you at the central bracketing, please. Referees, officials, I need you at central bracketing, please. If you're the first set of wrestlers, please go to your tables and get your ankle bands on.
The guy's coming.
Also, table help. Please get your ankle bands on the first set of wrestlers.
You ready?
Coaches, before the first round begins, we need to have your roster turned in.
You are my treasure. You are my treasure. Reversal. Boom, boom. Oh, 2-2. Oh. 3 points. Oh, 5 points. Oh my god. Oh, and then you get a reversal. Oh my god. I don't know how to reset it. Oh shit. Oh man. Wait. No, that's just for that time now. Oh, reset.
No, don't do that. Like,
I was messing around with it and I don't know how to reset it, man.
Okay. So hit takedown for green. I mean, takedown. And hit delete, and then just do it all.
I just do it like that?
You have to actually click on this.
Oh, reverse. Oh, okay. And then also on the camera, how come like we don't see anything or what?
Oh, you don't have to worry about the camera. The only thing that you may have to do is it gets a pretty good range of the mat, but its say action is over here, maybe just a slight turn, but no babysitting on that or this.
Okay.
So you're just going to be paying attention right here to your match, and any questions you may have, just hit that chat and I'll come running. But your main responsibility is just to keep up. You're getting these wrestlers staged and ankle band, because that's what keeps our tournament flowing.
Oh,
Any questions you may have, if you don't have a kid showing up, hit that chat and I'm gonna give him 3 tries on the mic when he's not there with scratch.
Okay. And like right here it says on deck. How do we get to the next match?
Okay, so say red pins green, so you'll go to result, and it'll show red's in the lead and he got pinned right here. It's gray because nothing's happening right now. But you'll just hit save result.
Nike Nunez,
and
who
then
just
it'll
had
take you
the
back
fine
to this
design
page
moves
right
on the
here.
central bracketing.
You don't
Nike
have to do this.
Nunez,
Once you
we
hit
have
save
something
result,
that
it'll take you
belongs
back
to you
to
at
the
the central
and
bracketing.
it'll delete
You forgot it at
the one that
fine
was just
design
wrestled,
moves.
and it'll automatically give you 2 of them.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so then you just hit that